found out that my supposedly husband was married to another girl that he never divorced. And we have a child together. Am I still legally married? We got married in South Carolina.
It's a good question. It's an interesting question, and one that probably needs a little more detail for me to give you a full answer. A lot of it depends, not necessarily on where you got married. It's more the circumstances surrounding, if it wasn't a valid marriage, and if not, then how we move forward with the custody of that child and any property issues that have come up. It's a very unique situation when you have something like that, and so it's one where we get a lot of details and try to see what, I don't want to say loopholes, but creative solutions we can come up with, since it wasn't a typical marriage, so it wouldn't be a typical divorce either.
Well, what are the requirements to get a divorce, basically? You got to be a resident of the state of Georgia for 6 months, I think.
Yes. So you have to be a resident of the state of Georgia for at least 6 months, and then you also have to have a way to get jurisdiction over the other person. So if they aren't a Georgia resident, or they've moved out of the state and it's been a while, things like that are all issues that would come into play for us to be able to. The thing with family law is it's so fact specific that a lot of the answers are complex ones that are very detail oriented. So calling into our office is definitely the easiest way. I'll be in the office tomorrow. You can ask for Rebecca and kind of go through those specific details of your case and what your options would be.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, whether she's married legally or not, she's still going to have rights with the child.
Right. And custody isn't something that you want to just leave out there. You want to understand exactly what situation you're in and what your best steps are moving forward for you and your child.